Hi everyone, and welcome to the next episode of the 2D Java tutorial or 2D platform side-scroller. Um, uh, Excuse me for a second, just gonna try to click upload. We can upload the next tower defense game too on my laptop. Since I'm recording this series on my laptop, I think I started in like Gothenburg and then I got home and then everything started to be like, I need my laptop. I'm actually developing most of my games on my laptop, but anyway, in this tutorial we are going to add you remember that I last time said that we were going to create a runner, and the way we're going to do this is that we are actually now then going to make whoop 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 boo boop 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 boo boo boop 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 boo boop 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 boop. I should just shut up. Yeah, I should. What we want to do is actually, I think we've got the floor rectangle somewhere. Where have we got the floor rectangle? Yeah, floor. If we make that into an array, because new rectangle, want it to be like 4, maybe. I would like to. No, I don't want to create it into a big one. I want to create a new one, rectangle floor 2, and I also want to create public rectangle floor 3. And then we'll need an integer, public int jumps equals 0. And by the way, I'm gonna add some battle mechanics to this too. Don't worry, this is just gonna be like, it's gonna be a runner, but there will be monsters in the level, and you don't have to add the running part. I'm just gonna show you how you do it. You can just have it like it is right now and just add the monsters onto there. No problem. Just skip to like tutorial 5 or so, I don't know yet. Maybe 5, maybe 6, maybe 7. This series will probably go on to like at least episode 10, I suppose. Since I got the little partnership thing on my channel, I can upload huge videos if I'd like to. So that means I'm gonna be able to have a lot of fun. A lot of fun. A lot of fun. So if we move down, pitch and pause, run. Ooh, look at that. That runs so smooth. So nice. I'm actually just going to minimize it since I want the process's priority Java W to be really high. True. At the define objects, we want to do floor 1, floor 3 equals new rectangle. Is that it? Want to be 0, 0, 0, 0. And I want the floor 3 to be new rectangle. 0, 0, 0, and 0. And these will basically come up after running a bit. And this is actually the first time of my entire life creating a runner. So if I look like I don't really know what I'm doing, that is because I don't really know what I'm doing. But this is going to be really good anyway. I'm pretty sure. I'm also going to add to the collision here, to the falling collision, I'm going to add the floor 2 and floor 3 to it. The video is almost rendered, the other one. So that's the floor 3. So if the floor 3 is like that, means that we're going to move up here, move. No, we're not. We're going to move down here. Main method at least. No, that's a run. Move up here. So basically, when you're jumping, you're only gonna have one jump for each like level or each floor. You cannot like insanely jump. Actually, should be able to. No, you should be able to do this. Should you? Yeah, you will have one jump. So, jumping plus equals 1. Jumps. Jumpies. Jumps. Jumps plus equals 1. And basically, down in the draw method, where are we drawing the floor? Yeah. So if jumps equals 0, we want to draw the floor and the floor 1. No, floor 2. If jumps equals 1, coffee tutorial. coffee tutorial. Oh yeah. Floor 2. This should go to floor 3 then. But if jumps, give me a second. If jumps equals to 2, which it sometimes should be, this is just gonna go to floor. Go to floor. Go to hell. Go to floor. Go to floor. Go to hell. Just like that. So what this will do is basically drawing 2 floors each time. I'm so sorry. It will basically draw 2 floors each time for wherever he is. And if you jump, I think it jumps. Yep, jumping equals true. Should actually do this in the jump method. No, I shouldn't. This is good enough. Why is that like that? Why is it like this? -10. Jumps floor X. It's drawing the thing. Well, the jumps should be equal to 0. Means it's drawing the first floor. Yeah, P jump pause. And it should basically just like go on like that. And the jump should be equal to 0. Just like that. But if jumps is now equal to 3, jumps equals 0. Equals 2. Okay. Yeah, that looks really, really great. Now let's add some extra speed to it. Right now is right equals true and cannot be changed. Now won't be able to change things. Actually, if I want to like change this back to the default later on, I'm just gonna comment or make this 2 comments. Look at that. It's like he's basically just moving by himself. So if we're doing that, or jump there, the floor underneath you should uh, get removed. And the jumping length, I'm actually gonna need like 200 for that, because you know, a jumping game without an epic jumping system, well, that's not very good. Can I increase the speed, walking speed, movement speed? That to be 0. Yeah, that's faster, but it's not fast enough though. This is the normal, old, awesome platform game. Cool. Minimize again. That was totally random. Keep pause works fine. And game goes false. Yeah. Character. One thing I don't think I've teach you about later is that this is the game loop. I think I told you before, but not that this is the specific game loop. The game loop is like, it's the thing that drives the game. It's a inner run method, or runnable. It's in a thread. Just goes on forever. Let's see, what do we want to do? When you jump, we want a new floor to appear. So when we jump in the jump method, if jumps equals 0, actually 1 first, since it's increasing, we should do floor 1, floor 2 I mean, equals new rectangle, and it should basically just steal the coordinates from the floor .x, floor.y, floor.width, floor.height. It will basically come up on the floor.x plus floor.width. No, floor.width plus 20 maybe. It would just check this out. Yeah, just like that. It actually has to be created before. Give me a second, I'm just gonna change my position. It actually needs to be created before, because it cannot change if the jumps is equal to 1. No, the floor 3 should be created. And so if jumps equals 0, the floor 2 should be created from the floor 1. No, the floor 3 should be created from the floor... No, the floor should be created from the floor 2. Floor 3. So if jumps equals 2, I'm going to create a generation code for the floor 3. And that means we're going to have to do floor 2 here. Okay, cool. So I think that will work. If we run this now, pjump pause. And that didn't work out as going to plans. The jump equals 1. No. This should create a new for there. For there, no. Floor, after floor 2. means this one should create from floor 2. Yeah, cool, great. That seems to work. Then I'm gonna take this, the floor 2, to the define objects method, and where the floor 2 is, basically just gonna paste this in. I think that will work. Will it? No. Oh. 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 No. um. When I did the second jump, yeah, I think everything seems it actually is working, but or it's actually working, but if jump 0 should start from 2. No, it shouldn't. It starts from the next one shouldn't disappear. That's totally random. The next one cannot disappear. Floor 2 showed up. Floor 3 showed up. Floor 3 is still showed up. Floor showed up. Why is that? Why was that still there? Oh, I see. I think must be something wrong with the code here. Actually, let's take that in the next tutorial, and let's just give this a cut, and I'll be back in the next video with more of these things. So I'll thank you all for watching this tutorial. In the next tutorial, again, it's going to be some more about this. We're going to try to make it a little better, because now it's like very buggy, because you can still jump and stuff like that. Yeah, of course, we don't have to draw anything out. We're just always gonna have to draw all of them out. G.fill rect floor 3, 3, 3, 3. Let's see how this is. But of course, remove that. Yeah, look at that. Now let's see for how long it goes. No, it just stops there. Totally random. When you jump, I want the current floor. So floor 1 equals new rectangle 0, 0, 0, 0. Then I want floor 2, floor 3. Let's see how this goes. When I did the first jump, it should have been equal to 1. Then the floor should go like that. That floor should go like that. And that floor should go like that. Means floor 3. If I run that now, If I jump, all of them gets removed. So jumps gets equal to 1, and then the floor equals new rectangle, which is just a lot of zeros, and the floor 2 is equal to new rectangle, floor 2x. Yeah, so that works. The first part works. Now then well, it's of course not doing two. Oh, yeah. So that means that the floor 2 should go like that, and that should be floor 2 instead. Now I know I said I was going to leave, but this just got too fun. Then floor is gonna, no, then floor 2 is gonna get deleted, and this would be floor 3. No? Then floor equals new rectangle, and floor 3 should get deleted. So floor, yeah, there we go. No, floor 3. This is the last test. Come on. No! The first one seems to work very, very fine. But when it comes to the second one, basically just gets destroyed. Floor 2 equals new rectangle. No, it's actually floor 3 that should be equal to new rectangle. It should be floor 2, floor 2, floor 2, floor 2, and floor 2, and then floor should be equal to new rectangle, which is the floor 3, floor 3, floor 3, floor 3, floor 3, and then the floor, let's say 2 should be equal to a new rectangle, which is 2, no, which is just floor. I think I got this now. Cool. Okay, so at the second jump means that it's equal to 2 floor, normal floor, regular floor, floor 3, floor 3, floor 3. Anyway, let's solve that later. No, let's solve this now. Floor 2 is equal to nothing. It works for the first jump, when you first jump. Then the floor thinks, oh, might be, because floor 3 is equal to new rectangle. And then when it comes to floor 3 and you jump, and then it just goes down and down and down, and then it disappears. So let's do that. No. Floor 3. Floor gets created, it should be floor 3. Alrighty then. Yeah, look at that. But then 2 of them gets deleted. 2 of them gets deleted. That's very bad. two of them shouldn't get deleted. Anyway, let's do that next time. Thank you guys for watching, and in the next tutorial, I'll fix that little thing, and I hope that I learn you guys something new by then. I don't know, like live debugging, so I should maybe check it out myself. Yeah, and I'll see you again next time. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.